Hi, hello, and welcome to this beautiful mathematical and musical program. Today we have got a mathematically correct person as a guest. We have with us a multi-talented person who has got maths, magic, music, and everything. Please welcome Chirag Tripathi. Hi,
Uh,
Chirag.
Hi, good day. Hello, everybody.
So, guys, let's go to his talent now. As we know that he's a multi-talented person, he has got a talent of calculating two digits, three digits while he sing and while without music also, and that like instantly. He does multiplications of two digits, three digits, four digits, addition, three digit, four digit, and more. Then he can calculate squares of numbers, two digit, three digit, while in music also you tell him the date of any year and he'll tell you the day. So today we have got some students in our studio who are never and nowhere related to Chirag, and even Chirag doesn't know them. We have got them just to maintain the neutrality so that they ask their own questions, their own set of calculations to Chirag, and will now unlock his talent. Yeah.
What is 46 into 84?
46 into 84, 3864.
Yeah, it's correct.
Thank you.
What is 598 plus 765?
598 plus 765. Is it 1363?
Yes, it's correct.
Thank you.
What is 5642 plus 2684?
5642 plus 2684. Is it 8306, 8326?
Yeah, correct.
8326, yeah.
Chirag, as I introduced you, I said you are a math musically correct person. How do you, convey it?
I would say that I love both mathematics and music, but mathematics came to me earlier than music came to me. So I would say more of mathematics, and I'm working to build both of them simultaneously.
When I have introduced you as math musically correct, I mean to say that your speciality is that you calculate while you sing, right? You calculate while you sing. This is a very odd combination. मतलब ऐसे बोल सकते हो कि it's a connect sync of heart and brain, which is very rare. So how do you? When did it come to you?
This kind of activity I noticed first in the year 2018, I would say, when we would have karaoke music sessions with friends and family friends, and I thought, let me try, because I was working on multiplying numbers, etc. So I was thinking, let me see whether I can sing and then multiply also, and then I realized that I could with practice. And
मतलब ये हाउ डू यू फील, मतलब ऐसे कैसे हो सकता है कि कोई अगर गा रहा हो, मतलब नॉर्मली ऐसा होता है कि इफ आई एम स्टडिंग एंड समवन पुट्स अ म्यूजिक, मेरे को वो हो जाता है, डिस्टर्बेंस हो जाता है, एंड यू आर लाइक opposite, you want like even while you are singing actually you can calculate. How is it like?
I would say this is a grace of God, and then it does require some kind of concentration and focus, but then I believe that with practice it is still possible. So just keep working and not giving up, and keep trying. That's what it is, and it does pay. It does.
So आपका जो talent है ना, मतलब the talent what you have is a rare talent, right? मतलब पहले what was the first time when you got to know that you have got this talent?
See, I would say individually mathematical talent was at a very young age. You know, at the age of say 6, etc., I would play with calculators, like, and then I would sometimes ask, my friends, my parents, to give me questions, to hone and increase my practice, etc. And two of the personalities named Shakuntala Devi and Srinivas Ramanujan from Bengaluru and
Well known.
Tamil Nadu respectively have inspired me. And Ramanujan's specialty is that, from in spite of having lot of, there was poverty problems he had, and he had a lot of difficulties, but yet he overcame that, and with belief in God, with practice, with dedication, he turned out to be the greatest mathematician of the 20th century. I visited his house in earlier last year, 2020, and it was a great divine feeling.
Honor, of course.
And then I thought that if he's done something, let me also
So you got
get more inspired. And
Okay. So when you count on like 1 and 2, which is the first love, maths or music?
I love both, honestly. I cannot. But then, as I said, mathematics came earlier. So I've been doing mathematics for a longer time than I've been doing music. For example, I've been doing
So
mathematics
let's
for more
know
than
about your
20 years. I would
qualification
say.
now. What's your qualification? मतलब maths में specialized हो
I
आप
have
क्या?
done BTech in chemical engineering from Manipal University, 2010 to 2014, 2014 graduate. And I have 2 years work experience in many companies, for example, paint manufacturing and pharmaceutical companies. So that has also helped to understand how industry works and what is required in industry. And then for 2 years, I pursued my MBA in finance from Goa University.
तो मतलब जब स्कूल में थे ना मतलब स्कूल या इन कॉलेज ऐसा होता था कि मतलब if you need to do some calculation you would put on the music and then ऐसे कुछ क्लास में
No, that time it was not that way.
Okay.
Though I've been listening to music also since childhood, but I would say that my interest towards music increased manifold from 2009 onwards. For example, it was Kishore Kumar's 80th. It would have been his 80th birth anniversary because he lived only 58. But he's a legend. So
inspired by Kishore Kumar.
Inspired by Kishore Kumar also.
So when did this start? I mean, like music कब से ये हुआ?
Music since childhood, but this kind of inspiration 2009 onwards. So
तो कब सोचा कि मतलब दोनों को मिक्स करते हैं?
2018, 9 years later.
So it was around in college time ऐसे मतलब?
This was exactly Goa University MBA time, when I was in my second year, I would say. Ending first year, beginning second year, 2018, because this was 2017 to 2019, so around that time only.
Correct. So मतलब ऐसा कोई funny moment related to this talent of yours?
Funny moment, I would say.
वो जो मतलब आप you would archive those ऐसा कुछ यादगार college
Funny,
में related to your talent?
not funny, but like once a friend had asked me a question regarding multiplication and music, and I did go wrong. I can go wrong also, but then he was like, "क्या हो गया भाई?" But then I did not take it to heart because I realized that.
Okay. Now that we know that you calculate, so what other talents do you have as than this calculating while you sing? और क्या कर सकते हो आप?
Within calculating.
Else than calculating, yeah, of course within calculating.
So I can, like, for example, multiply. Say I can multiply two-digit numbers. I can two-digit numbers. I can square two-digit numbers. I can square three-digit numbers also. I can multiply two three-digit numbers also, and then I can even calculate calendar dates. For example,
अच्छा.
You give me a day. You give me the month, you give me a specified year, and I'll try to tell you which day of the week it was. According to the Gregorian calendar, because
Okay, so the range will be for Gregorian calendar. Okay.
It's named after Mr. Gregory, who.
And first you said like you calculate, multiply or add, and then what else? Multiplication, addition, division also. Almost.
Yeah, but I do more of. Yeah, I do division also, but then I am, I would say, more comfortable with addition and multiplication.
And this with music, right?
I would do maybe multiplication with music, three-digit multiplications. For example, at the three-digit, one question of multiplication, one out of a calendar, for example. During the interludes of the song, if the questions are asked, preferably because.
Okay, मतलब अभी you else than this, when you say about music, you talk about music. Music में आपका क्या क्या मतलब achievements क्या है? मतलब what do you do with music? As then experimenting on maths and music.
I've been part of many stage programs
Wow.
in Goa and Maharashtra, namely Mumbai and Nagpur,
Okay.
Bhopal, and various parts of India.
Mm-hmm.
Then I've taken part for example, Kingfisher Voice of Goa, where I reached the semi-final. But
Great.
and then all Goa Hindi film song singing competition, where I got a consolation prize. But then
Mm-hmm.
those were memorable moments in the journey of musical competitions, so to say.
So what is that future plan of yours, like related to this talent of yours, both, or just music, or just maths, or both?
I would keep trying to work on it, keep practicing, and I would see. I would keep practicing, and accordingly, I'll keep working. Opportunities may come, but work will continue.
Correct.
Be it anything, even if it's chemical engineering, if there's some chemical engineering knowledge which I have to use later, there also an opportunity may come, but hard work should not stop.
Else than like your talent, you can say you are a supernatural. I mean, like more than a normal person, a student or a kid. How was that your friend circle with you? How was your friend circle?
They have been very appreciative, and they have also really encouraged me. And sometimes some friends have told me, push yourself, see how far can you go. So unless you push yourself, you never know how.
Correct. So
So
that,
there
that,
are times
that
that-
friend zone has changed or has remained the same?
No, I have
in due course of time.
I have childhood friends, and I even have some friends which I've made for life from my college days and from my university days. So
So
that-
special friends?
special friends.
Yeah.
Oh, there are too many actually.
Okay. Like your fans now, you must be having some fans also now.
I
With
would
your
say
talent, of
that I have very close friends. Fans that
yet.
I'm not sure. Some
Definitely,
say
definitely
and all, but
after this, you will get more fans. So now, what is your expectation towards life? आपका क्या expectation है? मतलब आप आगे आप अपना ये talent लेके क्या करना है आपको? जैसे like Shakuntala Devi, all those things, they are inspirations for like people like everyone, like especially you. So आप क्या what is your expectation towards your talent now? Next, what is the next level you want to reach with your talent?
Next level. That's what just
क्योंकि आप अभी कैलकुलेशन मतलब आई हियर दैट यू कैलकुलेट फ्रॉम 2 digit 3 digit 4 digit 5 digit and you have even tried 15 digit you said.
no, it's taken a long time and it's taken me time.
That's what I want to ask. Okay, वो मतलब जब आप कैलकुलेट करते हो कितना टाइम लगता है तकरीबन ऐसे? Is it like
बहुत फर्क होता है. It varies a lot. For example, sometimes I may get it quickly because I may have noticed some pattern in a particular number. Sometimes it may take more time for.
so अब तक मतलब what is that digit you have calculated like that चुटकी में?
चुटकी में
Maybe like what is that range? 2 digit 3 digit how much?
see,
what is
like
that?
2 digits I can calculate relatively quickly. Sometimes squares of two squares.
Squares also?
Squares means of course you know that it's multiplying the number by itself. So like
Correct.
2 digit and sometimes 3 digit also I can.
So which is that toughest part of it, like addition and subtraction? ऐसे ही पूछ रहा हूँ मैं, do not expose your secret. Yeah.
Addition, subtraction, it depends. But actually multiplication can be a little tricky sometimes because
तो कभी मम्मा पूछती है, बोलती है बेटा म्यूजिक लगा ये कितना हो गया ये टोटल, ऐसे मम्मा पूछती है घर पे, यूज करती है आपका टैलेंट?
हाँ प्रैक्टिस के लिए कभी कभी.
अच्छा.
What is 78 square?
78 square 6084.
Yeah, right.
Thank you.
759 square.
759 square. Is it 576081? Thank you so much.
94 into 56.
Is it 5264?
Yeah, it's correct.
Thank you.
What is 659 plus 753?
659 plus
753.
753. Is it 1412?
Yes, it's correct.
Thank you.
What is 2165 plus 8546?
Is it 10711?
Yeah, correct.
Thank you so much.
What is 366 square?
366 square. 133956.
Yeah, right.
Thank you so much.
What is 86 square?
86 square is 7396.
72 into 86.
Okay, 72 into 86. 6192.
36 into 51.
1836.
86 into 58.
86 into 38.
58.
58. Okay. 4988.
1170.
1170. Did you do 39 into 30? Did you do 65 into 18?
Yes. The answer is 1805.
1805. Okay. One 1805, right?
Yes.
Is it 19 into 95?
No. Yes. Yes.
The answer is 1288.
1288. Okay. Okay. 264. Is it 12 into? Okay, one. 14 into? No. See, possibilities are 2 into 644 is 1. 4 into 322 is 1. 4 into 322, so 28 into 46 is 1. 23 into 56 is 1.
Yeah.
These are the factors of 1288, some of the factors.
What is 456 into 852?
456 into 852, right?
Yeah.
Okay. जिंदगी एक सफर है सुहाना, यहाँ कल क्या हो किसने जाना. जिंदगी एक सफर है सुहाना, यहाँ कल क्या हो किसने जाना. हाँ, जिंदगी एक सफर है सुहाना, यहाँ कल क्या हो किसने जाना. अरे ओडलई ओडलई हो, 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 ओडलई. तारों से चलना है आगे, आसमानों से बढ़ना है आगे, पीछे रह जाएगा ये जमाना, यहाँ कल क्या हो किसने जाना. हाँ, जिंदगी एक सफर है सुहाना, यहाँ कल क्या हो किसने जाना. अरे ओडलई ओडलई हो, 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 ओडलई ओडलई हो. हंसते गाते जहाँ से गुजर, दुनिया की तू परवाह न कर, अरे हंसते गाते यहाँ से गुजर, दुनिया की तू परवाह न कर, मुस्कुराते हुए दिन बिताना, यहाँ कल क्या हो किसने जाना, हाँ जिंदगी एक सफर है सुहाना, यहाँ कल क्या हो किसने जाना। हडलई हडलई हो, 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 हडलई हडलई हो,
My question is 654 into 879.
654 into 879, right? Sure. Hey, la 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 la. दिलबर मेरे कब तक मुझे ऐसे ही तड़पाओगे, मैं आग दिल में लगा दूंगा वो कि पल में पिघल जाओगे। दिलबर मेरे कब तक मुझे ऐसे ही तड़पाओगे, मैं आग दिल में लगा दूंगा वो कि पल में पिघल जाओगे। एक दिन आएगा प्यार हो जाएगा, ओह मैं आग दिल में लगा दूंगा वो कि पल में पिघल जाओगे। Is it 574866? Thank you so much.
6 September 1995.
सोचोगे जब मेरे बारे में तन्हाइयों में, गिर जाओगे और भी मेरी परछाइयों में। सोचोगे जब मेरे बारे में तन्हाइयों में, गिर जाओगे और भी मेरी परछाइयों में। ओ दिल मचल जाएगा, प्यार हो जाएगा। दिलबर मेरे कब तक मुझे ऐसे तड़पाओगे, मैं आग दिल में लगा दूंगा वो कि पल में पिघल जाओगे। So 6 September 95 was Wednesday. Thank you so much.
326 into 450.
326 into 450. 146700. पल पल दिल के पास तुम रहती हो, पल पल दिल के पास तुम रहती हो। जीवन मीठी प्यास ये कहती हो, पल पल दिल के पास तुम रहती हो।
28 October 1971.
20th October 1971, right? Sure. Was it Thursday?
Yes.
हर शाम आँखों पर तेरा चल लहराए, हर रात यादों की बारात ले आए। मैं सांस लेता हूँ, तेरी खुशबू आती है, एक महका महका सा पैगाम लाती है। मेरे दिल की धड़कन भी तेरे गीत गाती है। पल पल दिल के पास तुम रहती हो।
So, guys, it was a wonderful session of music and maths. Chirag, you have performed beyond what we had expected. So, finally, what do you want to say to our audience?
I would like to first of all thank Prudent Media for this opportunity, and I would like to thank everybody for the questions, for the camera work, for each and everything, and for organizing this program, and especially the viewers who are taking their time and effort to view, participate, ask questions for this program, and I have tried all this honestly, without to the best of my ability, and I hope to keep bettering it with time, with practice. But these are my words. I would like to say thank you so much.
Thank you so much. So, even it was a genuine effort from our side to put his talent in front of you. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, and a very best of luck for your grand future.
Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you.